If you're new to Mac and not sure how to zoom in or zoom out, this video will show you the 3 simplest ways to zoom content on macOS. The first way is using the trackpad. Place 2 fingers on the trackpad and pinch to zoom in or zoom out. This works in apps like Safari, Photos, Preview, and other apps that support gestures. The second way is using keyboard shortcuts. In most apps, press Command equal to zoom in and press Command hyphen to zoom out. If you want to return to the default size, press Command 0. Keep in mind, some apps do not support Command 0. You can check in the View menu of that app. The third way is system-wide zoom using accessibility. Open System Settings, go to Accessibility, then choose Zoom. Turn on the option called Use Scroll Gesture with Modifier Keys to Zoom and assign a modifier key. For example, I choose the Control key. When this feature is enabled, hold Control and scroll your mouse, or place 2 fingers on the trackpad and pinch in or out to zoom. If you want to use keyboard shortcuts, you can also enable these 2 options. When you turn on these options, macOS lets you control zoom using both shortcuts and trackpad gestures. Under Use Keyboard Shortcuts to Zoom, you'll see 3 shortcuts. Press Command Option 8 to toggle zoom. Press Command Option equal to zoom in. Press Command Option hyphen to zoom out. These shortcuts let you control zoom levels very quickly without using the mouse or trackpad. Below that is Use Trackpad Gesture to Zoom. When this is turned on, you can double tap with 3 fingers to toggle zoom. If you want to adjust the zoom level, double tap with 3 fingers, hold, and drag up to zoom in or drag down to zoom out. This method is very convenient if you use the trackpad often. macOS will also remember the zoom level you set for the next time you double tap with 3 fingers. These 3 methods make it much easier to see small details on your Mac. If you want more macOS tips, follow the channel so you don't miss new videos.